The sharpening stones are located above the plate and contain two grinders, one for wetting, the other one for finishing. Loosen the screw located on the side, lift and turn the cover 180 degrees. Lower it and lock it again. The right button, or better the left one from the operator's perspective, is used for sharpening, the other one for finishing. Run the flywheel clockwise and consistently by pressing the right button for about 30 seconds without stopping, then release. For the finishing, rotate the flywheel by pressing both buttons for about 4 seconds without stopping, then release.